the students of standard 7. Now we will find numbers between given two rational numbers. Example is find numbers between rational numbers 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. Now here their denominators are different. We will make their denominators equal. So find their equivalent fractions. 1 upon 2 its denominator is 2 and 3 upon 5 its denominator is 5. So we will multiply first rational number by 5 and second by 2. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 5. 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 5, 10. So 5 upon 10 is equivalent to 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5 equal to multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. So 3 into 2 upon 5 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6, 5 into 2 is 10. Now 6 upon 10 is equivalent to 3 upon 5. Now you see 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10 both are having same denominator 10. Now draw a number line, and on number line first you take 0 and here 1. Divide 0 to 1 this distance into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Because denominator is 10 means 0 to 1 distance we have to divide into 10 equal parts. Now where will be 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 upon 10, here is 6, so 6 upon 10. And on left side we can write negative numbers, minus 1 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10. Now we have to find numbers between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. Means find numbers between 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. Here are these two numbers. Then we have to join these 2 points and find its midpoint. Now on the number line there are points showing the numbers 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. These 2 points are here. Then let us find the midpoint of line segment joining these 2 points. If we join these 2 points we have to find its midpoint. Now how to find midpoint? Take half of sum of these two numbers. So add 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10 and take half of it. Half of it means half into. Equal to half into. Here denominators are equal, so we can take 10 as LCM and add their numerators. 5 plus 6 upon 10 equal to, now 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 upon 10. Then half into, here is half into 11 upon 10. Now take multiplication of numerator on numerator and denominator on denominator. 1 into 11 upon 2 into 10. 1 into 11 is 11, 2 into 10 is 20. This is the midpoint of line segment. Means 11 upon 20 is the midpoint of 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. Means these 2 points are there. Their midpoint is 11 upon 20. So here 11 upon 20 is between, you can see here, is between 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. Means 11 upon 20 is between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. So we got first number here. In this way we can find another number also. We can find midpoint of segment joining point showing 5 upon 10 and 11 upon 20. Now find midpoint of 5 upon 10 and 11 upon 20 here. How to find? Take half of sum of these two numbers. Half. But here denominators are different. Try to make equal denominators. Here is 20, here is 10. Multiply first fraction by 2. Here half. 5 into 2 upon 10 into 2 plus 11 upon 20. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. Now see both denominators are same. Half into 10 upon 20 plus 11 upon 20. When denominator is same we can take LCM 20. Half into, add 10 and 11 here. 10 plus 11 is 21 upon 20 here into half. Now 1 into 21 upon 2 into 20 by taking multiplication. 1 into 21. 20 into 2 is 40. So 21 upon 40. It will come between 21 upon 40 will come between 5 upon 10 and 11 upon 20. Means it is coming between 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. That is, it is coming between 1 upon 2. This number is 1 upon 2 and this number is 3 upon 5. Now two numbers we got here. 21 upon 40 is between 5 upon 10 and 11 20. 21 upon 40 is between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. In this way, we can find innumerable numbers between any two rational numbers.